Dzień dobry, rahajen semang kochani.
Dzień dobry.
Puna pigatra. Oh, your ballet is still good kochani. Bardzo polecam. Okay, so we have a morning coffee actually here in a coffee shop in IKEA kochani. And yes, cinnamon roll, coffee. We paid 19 zloty. Good deal, yeah. And we sit in the corner of the library. Look, this library, like, you know, steal my attention. This is orang utan, actually coming from Indonesia. And look at this. Oh, this is how actually the children books here. I think this one is Bali, Java, Sumatra, Borneo, Sulawesi. Nice. Those blue sky. Ooh. And then look at those land in the front and how quiet it is. We are out of city, Poznań city, and where are we going?
To Zielona Gora today.
Zielona means greens, Gora means mountain.
Exactly like that.
Green mountain.
Yeah, but I don't know if there is any green mountain. I know it's a city called Zielona Góra. Never been there. Decide to get out of the highway and go on the smaller road today. So it's gonna be interesting.
This one, I guess, a brand new road.
Yeah, it's brand new road because as you see, the Google Map, Apple Map don't showing this road. We are in the middle of the
Oh my goodness.
This is the brand new road. I think this is like to avoid the village or city something. It must be busy long time ago there, but it's brand new actually.
Look, we are there, out of nowhere.
And they build nice roundabouts everywhere actually.
Oh, nice.
It's very quiet though, very brand new.
Oh yes.
All right, and we are going to Zielona Góra, as you can see the sign.
Zielona Gora.
Nice. 97 kilometers from this point.
102 kilometers, kochani.
Oh, okay, to the point. Yeah, because we set up the map to the center. Nice.
Yes.
Something different, isn't it?
It's look nice on the left. The woods, the farm.
The railway.
Oh, there is a railway. Yes.
I think we're gonna going to the. Oh, there is the lake on the other side actually.
Oh yes. Nice.
Oh, the train is coming there now.
Oh yes. Oh my goodness, so nice. And in front of us,
Woods.
the forest. Oh yes, that's the train, Zielona Góra.
Very nice, isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, we back to the road again.
Nice.
Officially the road.
See now, Google Map even recognize. Oh, Apple Map recognize the road. Look at this.
So nice, green.
Green everywhere.
Green and fresh.
Look at this Peppa Pig.
Yeah,
Nice.
for dożynki.
Look at this village on the right. Oh, nice.
Here's one.
What is it? Why they make like ogo-hogo?
This is like a decoration for the after the finishing the farming season, like the wheat and everything is already clean. They make like a party for the farmers. But usually this village is very like rich with these decorations. I can see, like for the festive season.
Ah, look at this, so cute.
Yeah.
Nice.
Small village, but nice.
Oh, look at this. Nice.
Nice, isn't it?
This is nice countryside.
Yeah, it's like a countryside little town. Mostly farmers living here, but nice. I mean, it's something different.
Yes, this one also, you see?
Look
Where
at
are we?
This is the factory of Bonduel.
What is Bonduel?
Famous for the corn, mostly for the corn, canned corn and stuff. I didn't know they're producing here. Everywhere is country, so no traffic, but nice. Nice little road. Oh, we're going through the woods again, and the fields and woods.
Can you look? This one nice little town here.
Oh, nice little town. Not sure what's the name.
I think in front is the
the main road actually to Zielona Góra is coming from the...
Yes, here is the Rinek. You see the fountain in the middle. Typical Rinek.
Typical Rinek in small town.
Nice.
But nice. Actually nice. Nice as the main road is coming actually through the market square, you know.
Nice. This is really enjoyable Sunday driving, kochani.
Really?
Tak. Driving through the green lush like this, so relaxing. Tak?
Tak.
Nice. Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poland. So today we are in Zielona Góra, right? So it's Lubuskie state basically, and Zielona Góra is one of the big cities here. So Damian and I will take you to explore the city, how it looks, and basically today is Sunday and seems like some shops are open. Normally shops in Sunday is closed, but because it's today's special day, so yeah, let's explore more.
So took us around, took us about 1.5 hour drive from Poznań, about 125 kilometers if we go by the country roads, or about 155 if we go by the highway. Probably we're gonna return by the highway, but first way we took the country roads. Zielona Góra, one of the two biggest cities in Lubuskie state, and well, never been here to be honest. It's pretty quiet, I could say, but probably very enjoyable. We're gonna explore now the market square in Zielona Góra. They also have a palmiarnia, like a palm house, and they also famous for the wine.
Yes, for the wine, and then we will see how it is actually.
Okay, let's go.
First of all, I'll take you to stroll around, and wow, this one is zamek, kochani? No?
Zaułek myśliwski.
What is it?
Means like a kind of concept of the restaurant for the, you know, wild deers and all of this stuff. I don't know actually what does it mean. I will have to do it. But this is like a kind of community of the, you know, something like that. I don't know. Actually, local people can explain. I don't need to be historian, know every single thing in Poland, right?
Yes, on the left also. Oh, surprisingly that the coffee shop, cafe shop, some are open actually. And look at in front of me, is that the Ratus?
Tak, City Hall.
The City Hall.
They still have a water in the city,
Oh.
supposed to work.
It
I
works,
guess.
I guess. And let's go over there. What do you think, there or left or right?
I don't know. Let's go down there. Let's explore the Rinek, the market square, the whole square.
Yes.
We have to do the loop actually, so it doesn't matter which road we go. We have to go around, and then we can change location.
And I think that the building architecture, it is similar like Poznań. Do you think so, Kohanya, or different?
Yeah,
or
but-
more into like German style?
I think more into Polish style
Polish
actually.
style? Okay. Oh,
Some restaurants.
some restaurants are open here. Oh,
Some winery down there. Winery Bachus.
it's restaurant, Kohanya?
Yeah, but I think it's closed.
Oh.
So many things actually ongoing, but it's quiet. I mean, maybe cozy, I could say. It's totally different than big city, right?
Yes, exactly. And then, yes.
So many birdie here. It's just quiet actually, I could say.
Yes.
It's cozy quiet. It's different. Maybe we used to too much with the big cities, right?
Yes.
Like if you go to Wrocław last week, or Gdańsk 3 weeks ago, or Poznań every day, this one is quiet. It's like Iława vibe, but bigger size.
There are so many small statue also, like it's not a dwarf, but look at this. Yeah.
Yeah, like a Wrocław style, huh?
Yeah, like this small thingy. Yes.
Nice. More restaurants actually are there.
No, there.
But on the
On the
other
right.
side, if you're looking actually with the camera, will be more restaurants.
Look, on the right also some restaurant, Kohanya. 1, 2, restaurant over there. Ice cream. Interesting. And that's actually the Kamienica, no?
Tak. That's the
Nice.
thing. Okay, maybe let's go down. Because more people coming from the down rather than from the north. I mean from the south.
That's the Stary Rynek. Interesting.
Right, that's correct. This is probably actually the busiest restaurant here.
Nice. Pizza restaurant?
Right. And pizza look good. Just
Do you
in
want to
case.
have a lunch?
Just in case if you're hungry. However, the ice cream also look good.
I see. Really, the city, like, it's nice, the Rynek. I mean, enjoyable. It's not that overcrowded, right?
Okay.
Oh, this one, the
Candy
sweet
shop.
sweet shop.
Oh, this is nice actually. On the other side, if you look this one, I don't know what is it. It's nice.
This one, the building. Oh, that's the Palmier, yeah.
Oh,
I
really?
see. That's the another. Is it the church, Kohani?
No, this is, I don't know what this is. This is maybe church.
Interesting.
The walls of the city. This is like
Interesting.
an interesting mural on the continuation of the city there.
Interesting. Okay, this is actually the direction, the Palmiernia I Park Winnie. My name Kohani. Winnie.
It's been the winery park. Second of all, it's could also mean guilty. So your name is actually in here is very complicated.
Right.
So we're going to Palmiernia now?
Yes, but I think that let's go over there first.
So that's
and
the
we
area
go.
of Palmiernia then.
Tak.
Let's go.
Okay, so now let's explore again, Kohani. We go there. Oh, nice. So many nice restaurants here. On the left, on the right, shops. But seems like only a restaurant or ice cream shop that is open. And the other shop, let's see the boutique. Oh, they have a pole dance like this. It's closed. Oh. Cafe. Oh, that's another city hall, no? No?
Cannot be. But nice Kamienica from 1900.
This one? Oh, where can you see the years?
On the front.
Oh, yes. This Kamienica is actually 1900. Interesting. Pink building. Another restaurant is open. And Kamienica. Interesting. Pizza restaurant. Pizza.
Actually, Jerry realized there's quite a lot of nice restaurants, not too many visitors, not too many locals either. But city is actually for some people actually that's maybe nice because it's very cozy. It's totally no opposite to the Wrocław or Gdańsk or even Poznań where it's actually busy, you know. But also a smaller city, right?
Yes, look at this statue. Some tourists are here. Actually.
Okay, let's go into the direction of Palmiernia and winery.
Oh, where is it? We go straight or somewhere?
Straight. There's gonna be something there.
I see. Nice.
Oh, that street also looks nice. Oh, nice. Actually there. An opposite direction also it's nice. There's actually a lot of walking streets here.
Yes. Interesting. Show you 360 degree how it looks while Damian checking the map where we go. Yes. Kohani, look, there are so many nice old building like this one, and this one also mixed with the brand new building, and there are so many restaurants actually, and on the left and the right side, and we will go to the Palmiernia and look look at this pink building and the clock tower on the top. Nice.
Nice. So where I can get the ice cream?
I don't know. You just want to have ice cream, don't you? Kochanie, zobacz. Look.
Co to jest? What is this?
Look
What?
at this.
Where he's going?
I don't know.
Stop him.
I don't know. What is this? Interesting.
What's that?
Oh, from this one.
Oh yeah, from this one, the
Yeah,
coffee shop.
naturally. Interesting. But it's closed. What I can say that my first impression is that it is a small city and then it's not that overcrowded with the tourists. Mostly I can say that probably the local residents here is just coming to the city center and enjoy their weekend. And here is the Palmiernia. Let's see how it is inside because I read that this is one of the best spots in the Zielona Góra. Let's go.
It's open on Sunday till 11 till 8. We're going to Kawiarnia, which is the coffee shop, but they also have a restaurant and they also have a winery. It's just like a basement, so everybody should find something for yourself though. And I think it's old, yeah, from 1961, but still Poznań one is older. They must open after that, but well, let's go. Let's have a steps and go. So we are going to actually Palmiernia. There is, I love Zielona Góra, I think, with the leaf instead of heart. Some fountains or gardens. So definitely we have to have a coffee, no? Yes. Coffee time. Nice fountain. Let's see what we can find. Actually looks nice, the building, newer. Let's see. So this is the vineyard inside, I mean the city center of Zielona Góra. There is the vineyard. I've been in the vineyards all around the world. Once I was in Australia in Swan Valley, thanks to brother me take me there, it was cool. But we also have it here in Poland as well. Last time I was also with the in Canada with Louis. Also shout out to you brother, also forgetting all the time. So now with the winery there is no airport nearby actually, but anyways, we're talking about the wines today and about Zielona Góra. Everything is here in general. Actually I'm not gonna drink wine because I'm driving, and in Poland you cannot drink and drive. In Australia actually you can still take a wine of glass and drive. Actually you didn't know that saying, but in Poland we cannot. But we're gonna have a coffee, and that's the little wine field. There is no fruits unfortunately. One dry here, they took it all, it's not season, but they also make some local wine here. Actually I didn't know that before. But they have it, so let's have a look. But yeah, this is it. Did you know before us we have a winery in Poland as well?
No. So like today I just checked, you know, where we are going, Kochani, and Damian like, I don't know, let's go somewhere. Okay. Then Damian decided, let's go to Zielona Góra. And then on the way there, Damian read what is it actually, Zielona Góra.
Yeah, and that's the Zielona Góra. Also Zielona Góra, it's been green mountain or green hill, which maybe they actually mention about this one because this is in the city center and it's green, or it was green generally, right? Yeah. I guess it was about this one. Oh, they have a labyrinth actually here for kids, nice, cool. Okay, let's get inside and coffee time.
Yes, that's actually the building, the glass house, and inside I think there are so many types of the plants. They put it there, and they also have a coffee shop. But let's see, they also have the wine. I don't know where is the wine.
This building looks similar also to this ones in Singapore, right?
Yeah.
They also have a gardens like this one. Yeah. But this one is older, from 1961. In Singapore, unfortunately, was not that much at that time. But
playground must be.
Yeah, playground must be.
Let's see.
I think actually this one is renovated recently, because this one looks new actually, not like in 1961. Oh, they have a globe moving there. I wanna have a look. Sky Park. Something's going on here actually. Okay, let's have a look. Nice. There's a lot of drunkard statue here actually, because this is like a palm tree. The drunkard guy with the big tummy holding the glass of the wine. Actually funny. And this globe actually moving so quickly. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Something different.
Here is inside is actually the restaurant with the so many types of the plants and garden, and seems like busy and seems that you have to book the place. I think that we will go to the coffee shop upstairs. So actually we are going on the top, and what I can see that it's pretty hot here inside, and that's the restaurant. Yeah. So basically, let's go for coffee. And here basically the coffee shop, and with the glass door like this. And here down there is the restaurant. And yeah. So basically, that's it. It's nice. I just show you around the place basically, and here how it looks. Kohane, it's too hot. Even like I take off my jacket, I feel like it is too hot. I don't feel like I will enjoy my coffee here. Maybe in winter will be the best place. Let's go. Here is the panorama of the city. Actually, that is the mall. That's behind. I think that's so many blocks there. I zoom it a little bit so you can see that how is the city look from the top. And here is the showcase of the vineyard. And I think that behind this there are lots of vineyard, but this one is just like a showcase how it looks. So yeah, I think we will be back again. Yes, Kohane, to the Rinek to look for the coffee. I cannot handle the heat there inside. Kohane, it's lunchtime.
Nice. Look at the background.
Here we are, Kohane. This is our pizza.
Our pizza's arrived. We have a drink. As you see, it's actually very busy food house, but it's a very nice place. La Gondola, the name, very nice. Let's see, the pizza looks really decent. That was our short trip to Zielona Góra. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you haven't yet. We're traveling every weekend somewhere to different city. Winnie is making videos every day. We made already 1,500 videos. And what I can say. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
Your car put sensor. I'm worried that if we bring this car to Bali, will be sensor all the time.
All the time.
Oh dear. So this one is the road to go home actually. This is the city of the Zielona Gora, tak?
Central of Zielona Góra, just not the market square area, not the old town.
Interesting. So this one is central business district, right?
Kind of.